Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Katie and I love making home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So if you're not part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe before you go today. So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be cleaning and adding a little bit of fall decor to the main living area and the entryway because I got a new console table for that area and I'm excited. So in other news, I've been gone and I know you guys are sending me DMs on Instagram. Where are you? Start decorating for the fall season. And it's just been so hot here in South Florida that I'm not in the mood. But I started doing it little by little. So I cannot wait to share all those videos with you. So stay tuned because my official decorating video is going to come soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So the first thing I did was ask Jonathan to take down all the window treatments so I could watch those nice and well. And I don't know if you catch the video, but he dropped the side rods into the bar car and broke all the glasses that were there. So we just have to clean all the broken glasses. Yeah, it happens. Then I went ahead and started removing the cushion covers from my dining chairs. We're gonna watch those as well as the cushion covers for the sofa. So we just kept doing that throughout, and then it was a time to remove the sofa, which is tedious, but you guys, the outcome of washing them, it's priceless, trust me. We're gonna be renovating the kitchen soon, but we had a water issue with the dishwasher and it damaged the baseboards, so we just put in new ones. Here I'm showing you that I am washing my cushion covers with my mild detergent and also Folex. That does the trick. All the stains come out, you guys. Just make sure you dry them on delicate when you're gonna be ready to dry them. I head downstairs to clean all my windows. Check the description box because I'm going to be linking all my cleaning products and also this little microfiber tool that I use to clean the walls and the windows. It's amazing. Console table here for my entryway because I wanted something more simple and also something with more storage. I feel like the one we had previously is just the top that we could use. This one is gonna have different size compartments, and I could even put a basket to keep Teddy's stuff in there. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that all out so Jonathan could go ahead and assemble it. Just like this, 'cause when the daylight comes, we're just good friends. So while we were cleaning inside, my mom and my stepdad were outside playing with Jaden. He wanted to go in the pool, so they were just watching him there. So here I am cleaning my table, which I hate doing this, but it's a must. And I found some rust in the edges, I guess by, when I map and stuff like that. So I'm going to use this product to go ahead and remove those. And it did a great job, and I will link it down below as well because I got it on Amazon. So here's how the new entryway table looks. I told you it was very simple, but I love the fact that it has so many storage compartment, and it's a little bit longer than the previous one and slimmer, which fits perfect into this narrow entryway that I have. Then we went ahead and started putting the clean cushions back on. And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And now we're just gonna go ahead and vacuum the entire house really well. I am losing a lot of hair, so the house is full of hair. Every time I walk, my hair fall off. So we don't know what's causing the hair loss, but it's been very annoying. Then Jonathan helped me put the curtains back up, and then I kept, just vacuum throughout the house. Then I use my Tinaco vacuum that you guys know. It's a map vacuum, so it does the job of vacuum and mapping at the same time. I love this thing, lifesaver. So it's like I'm double vacuuming this day, but it was worth it. The next day, I started decorating the formal living area. I wanted to keep this place very neutral and, with the pop of fall stuff, but I wanted to keep it very simple, and I'm gonna keep my decor through the fall very simple and minimal this year. So I got these beautiful pillow covers from Shein, you guys. You're not gonna believe the price, and the quality is amazing. So I'm gonna link them down below. They're like a fur material with the brown colors and the white. It's just beautiful. This throw blanket, it's from JCPenney. I will also try to link it in the description box for you. The look of the sofa, I'm gonna add these beautiful pillows that I got on TJ Maxx online. I will try to link it. I don't know if they're still available. They're like in the shape of a pumpkin, and they're so pretty, you guys.
Don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Coffee table, keeping things simple. I painted this base on, and then I put this pampa grass type that I got on Marshall's, putting some candles to this tray and some pumpkins around it, and I think this screens falls and it gives you cozy vibes at the same time, and it's very simple.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Let me know what you think on the comments about these pillows. I got them from my outdoor wall decor, but I think they look great in the living room as well. So I'm not sure if I want to keep them here or move them, but I like how this space turned out. I love it. So now we're moving into the entryway. So for the entryway, this might change by the time you see it on my fall home tour. But for now, I'm just gonna add this base that I got at Target, those stems, a little pumpkin there to kind of, bring in the fall vibes. And here, this little bowl is to hold orchids. I got it at Home Goods. I'm gonna add a pumpkin candle as well, some books in this lower shelf area. And that is the runway, so we just have to move it. So yeah, guys, I'm thinking of adding like a wall mirror or a wall art here. Let me know that in the comments what you think. I'm adding some velvet pumpkins in here as well. So I added a little basket for catch-all things, for Teddy's colors and stuff like that. And yeah, I think I am happy with the way this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments of the new entryway table. And it's a hard space to decorate because I have all those light switches there and the alarm, but I want to put something above the table. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all on the next one. God bless.